Hello, my name is Chien and welcome back to the training course Basic SQL Server. And today we will continue with the day 5. I will talk about how to use the dynamic SQL Server in store procedure. Okay, so the agenda is store procedure. I will talk it again and create the variables, create the dynamic SQL Server script. Okay, so let's get started. I will open the SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so the firstly I will talk again with the start procedure. Okay, so when you are working in a project and you want to passing the dynamic data over those query, instead of using multiple query, so you should use the start procedure because it supports you to passing the, the the dynamic values over the parameter. Okay, so now I will go ahead to create some demo for you and how to use the dynamic SQL Server query with the store procedure. Okay, let's get started. So first I will lead down the step by step here. Firstly, you have to uh, you have to create a view. Sorry, create the store procedure. Create TBO it scheme dot sp web product data so we have some parameter you check it should be partial. We assign the value for it per product id in product name it should be and voucher. Okay, so now I have the I have a query. Basic query is like product. Okay, go. So you go to run down the above code. Okay, so now if you execute this script and to create a procedure into the database, so you are only able to run it one time, and you try to run it again in a multiple times, so it will display the message that lets the store procedure already existed in the database, so you cannot run it or recreate it again. Okay, so in order to make it run multiple times, so you have to check if the current store procedure already existed in the database, so we have to drop it, and after that we call the create feature again. Okay, so now I will demo it. That's it. That's it. Start from DDO dot system object set object where IT equal object IT we have and mean we are query the data in the data with Unicode and equals equal one drop 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 tvo dot sp where product data. You go. Okay, and now if you run the script, you are able to run it multiple times. Okay, what is your incorrect syntax? This is no, sorry, it's wrong. Object ID it should not here, so we have it should be and dbo dbo dot p and object property it. Okay, save it. Day5. Okay, and now I will go ahead to create a variable here. Should be the value type and varchar is 4000. Okay, now I will, instead of using the SQL Server statement directly, so I will assign it into the variable, and after that, at the end of script, I will execute it. We have set SQL equal and okay, so we can at the end here of the script, we are able to execute and go. Okay, so try to execute it. So now go ahead to run it. Execute tbo.p get data. We have checked, enter some sample data, tab product ID 1, test, run it. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, could not find store position name. We'll run it again. Okay. Okay, it worked. So maybe previously when we try to run this script, so we have some issue with the SQL server. Okay, and now we continue with writing the additional query. We have some feature like print. Here, if you have any issue with your script, so you use the print to print all of the script into the message here. Okay, so I will show you. Yes, it will display the query here, so it will be easy for you to debug within. Okay. Smaller. So now I will check. Okay. If check is not null. This one is only the example. I think maybe it's not true. After if we have begin block and all of the code should be inside. We have if for example one we have we have set SQL. Yes, we are able to write SQL alert here, but it is very long, so we have another short way here. Okay, for example, if the product ID equal 1, so we will assign the script is when product ID equal 1. And we have set for example product equal to, okay, run it again. Yes, you can see here the script when we combine the script into one, so it will display in one row. Actually we should break it to make it look better. Char char 13 13 is the enter keyword. Again it will break down. Okay, cool. So now I want to pass in the dynamic. Oh, sorry, try with 2. Yes, and now I want to pass in the dynamic product ID here. So I should write the code here. It is the hard code. Then here we will pass in the data of product ID. What happens if I keep the same thing here to run? Okay, so it will return an error. So let's see what's the error. Yes, we cannot converting the char value into the integer value. So we have to convert the integer value into char. Varchar. Okay, so we'll cast to convert it into the varchar. Cast as, for example, product should be 20 varchar. Okay, run it again. It's cool. Three. Okay, so now this one is we are passing the data for integer and how to passing the data for text. For example, I will try to write another. Here we have it product name. The product name is not new. Begin and we will set. I will copy and product name equal and Unicode. Okay, so let's try to do this here and let's see what happened. The product name is not done. Yes, you can see here it should be look like this one. Because this one is text, so it should we should have entered something here. Mm. Okay. Let command print and uncomment execute. Okay, so now we should get the exactly file and should one it should be 12 here. Okay, cool. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after if you need this video, so you know how to use a dynamic SQL server and writing it in the stored procedure. Basically, when you are using the stored procedure, you want to make it dynamically. So you are able to write a lot of code here. It look like when you are do the programming in the some language like C#, PHP, JavaScript, Java, and something like that. You can write all of the business here, and that passing the value for parameter. You can also able to enter a lot of parameter here. Yeah. So I hope that helped, and let me know if you have any question. Bye bye.